Example 1, scalar multiplication. If A equals -1, 4, 3, 0, and B equals 2, -3, 5, -6, find A, -5B, and B, 2A plus 3B. So let's go ahead and do example part A. We are just looking for -5B. So all we have to do to find this is to take matrix B and distribute that -5 out front. And now we have to make sure that that -5 is multiplied by every element inside the matrix. So we have -5 times 2, -5 times -3, -5 times 5, and -5 times 6. And that would all simplify to be -10, 15, -25, and -30. And that is our final answer. For example B, we have something that's a little bit more complicated, 2A plus 3B. So we're combining two things that we now understand. We know how to add matrices, and we know how to do scalar multiplication. So we're going to do 2 times the matrix A, -1, 4, 3, 0, plus 3 times the matrix B, 2, -3, 5, -6. And we just distribute the 2 to all 4 elements in the first matrix. 2 times -1 is -2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 0 is 0. And now we distribute 3 to all 4 elements in the second matrix. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times -3 is -9. 3 times 5 is 15. And 3 times -6 is -18. Now we have one final step, and that is to add our matrices together. And when we add matrices, we add corresponding elements. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight those here. And now we know we're just going to say -2 plus 6 is +4. 8 plus -9 is -1. 6 plus 15 is 21. And 0 plus -18 is -18. And that is our final matrix.